Learn how to install the new FreshWater Salt System for Hot Spring and Caldera hot tubs. So there's a few different items you need, or tools, to install the FreshWater kit. You're going to need a drill, something to open the boxes, a bit set so you can open up the front cover of your hot tub. So what's in the box? Let's find out. Now, we did a video on what to expect when opening up the box and what it is, what all comes with it. I'll leave a link in the description below for that. But the most important thing we're going to need here in the beginning for the install is the module. So we'll be showing you guys how to install this into your hot tub. Alright, step one to setting up the FreshWater system is obviously taking off the front of your hot tub. And I got my man Eric here helping me do that today. Each model is going to be a little bit different as far as from Hot Spring and Caldera, and whether or not it's the High Life series or Paradise. This particular hot tub that we're going to be installing the FreshWater system on is by Hot Springs. It's part of their Limelight series, and it's called the Prism. Just a big, beautiful hot tub. And out. And then you always got to remember to disconnect on these. They have an indicator light in the front, and so you just got to go through and disconnect that before you pull the panel completely off. Then the next thing you're going to do is you got to locate your control system. And so this is typically covered with a plastic covering like this, and you just got to remove the two screws, and then that's where we'll install the module. Right, now that you got the cover off for the spa control, you gotta locate, we're gonna be fishing the wires for the module for the FreshWater Salt System up into this area so that we can connect it to the board. And so the first thing we got to do is remove the plug.
Okay, so right here you have your plug that will plug into your control board. And so first we're going to remove this plug right here. It just pops out. You squeeze the little sides right there. And then take this, run the wire behind these wires to keep everything clean and neat. Push it up through there. And then right here you'll see it says peripheral and interface. What we need is the interface.
Here, let me zoom in on that. Oh, right there. Okay, so I see. So you have the peripheral and then the interface.
Okay. And then take it to where you'll see a little tab right here. That will be off to your right. So take that, and very carefully, because it's a pretty sensitive little guy, plug her on in. Boom, seated properly. Okay, and then we take our wire. And we come over here, and right here we have the salt cartridge. We have the cartridge housing, which is you'll put your cartridge in from the top side of the tub. Anyways, though, we have these spade terminals coming off the other end, and we've got the other ones that correspond, and there is a red wire and a black wire. So red to red, and black to black. And then that's that. And then you take your control module, and we're gonna just tidy up all the wires and everything, and then zip tie this like that.
Cool, so it's real basic and it's not super hard. The one thing you got to remember is you do not want power onto the hot tub. You got to wait for that. And once it's filled with water and the cartridge is put in, which I'll show you here in a little bit, then you kick power onto the hot tub. Once you get the wires all neatly tucked away so everything's super clean inside the hot tub, next we're going to fill the spot with water. Which should be good, right?
Great.
Yes.
Nope. Good to go.
FreshWater modules installed. You'll go through the startup process. Check out the link in the description below to see how to now set up the hot tub to be freshwater ready. Just so you know, I just want to show this real quick. This is where the salt cartridge goes. Every hot tub comes with a plug, and once this is set up with the water, which we'll go over in that video, you'll remove the plug, slide in the cartridge, and then you'll be enjoying hot water shortly.